My question is, what do we got over here? Huh? Huh? Give me a hell yeah. What? What's up, bro? This bad boy right here, man. You tight. Hold on. Watch this. Ready? Watch how smooth. Oh. All right, here it is. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, got the tape on the side. It should be good. Come on, there's more tape, dude. Now it's time to open this bad boy. Uh-oh. Okay, wait. Calm down. Give me a drum roll, please. Oh my God. Oh, wait. Hey! What is that I see, my friend? Is that an Apple Watch Series 3? Bruh, put the light on that. Put the light on this. Bruh. Do you hold it? Oh, that's so sexy. This looks like great condition. Looks pretty brand new to me. Bruh. Okay, this is my phone. It's a little cracked up, but you know, gets the job done. While it loads up, let's see what else we got in the box here. Okay, got your standards. English, United States. Oh wow, it already popped up. Okay. It's doing a little cloud thingy. Hold Apple Watch to the camera, align it. Okay. Did I do it? Your Apple Watch is paired. Hey, set up Apple Watch on what wrist? Left. Okay, terms, blah, 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 agree. Okay, this is probably gonna take a while. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Okay. Hey, that's the time, baby. I've seen this in videos, but I have no idea what to do in this. Live a better day by achieving 3 daily fitness goals. Take a minute to breathe. Okay. Wait, hold up. I didn't even see this part. Okay. Comes with an extra thingy. Nice. YouTube, say what up to my pops. Call your boy. Call your boy.
Let me call my boy.
Call your boy. Let's see how this works.
Right.
New watch. Who this? Hey, peep the phone though.
Crap roller here. Okay.
Obama.
March
Madness.
3. I'm gonna laugh.
Calling me?
It's gotta ring. Sometimes in the room here, it might cut off. Let me open up the other phone.
You gotta go. You gotta get the house phone. Trash phone, bro. Yeah, you got the house phone going. All right, let's see if it goes. Oh, there's your boy. Oh, it still it says call failed. Oh, let me call back. Let me.
Oh, I said your phone failed. We'll get this.
Maybe I'm too close to you.
Nah, bull, got too close. You gotta get a.
I hear it. I hear my phone going off.
You gotta find out what the button's supposed to use.
Oh, yeah, I hear it. Something's going off. It's connecting.
What piece of junk you bought?
Hello.
What's up? Yo, what's up?
That's crazy.
My son, you got that fancy new watch, and I got my Obama special.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, go in the room and learn how to work that stanky thing, boy.
Yo, it has a speaker in it. That's awesome.
Yeah, I hope so. It is a speaker watch.
Alright, bro.
Get with it.
What's going on, Robin? You okay? You want to try on the watch? I got you, bro. Here you go, buddy. Hey, I see you with the championship belt. I see you, bro. Hold on, I got you, bro. Yeah, looking swaggy, bro. Nice, bro. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I know it's nothing crazy. It's just literally just an unboxing. I'm not too tech savvy. I don't know all the freaking details in it. But yeah, I'm hyped, bro. Now I'm gonna use this all day at work so I don't get in trouble. I'm gonna be talking to my wrist all day. Yeah.